I'm Suzanne Ridgway. This is Let Us Eat. Welcome back to my channel. I'm at my favorite Dollar Tree today, stocking up. But first, smash on that subscribe button, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up, share me to social media. Don't forget about our giveaways. All the information is listed down below. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, as well as a 5-item prize pack when we get 20 subscribers from the Dollar Tree. We're in my favorite Dollar Tree again. I always check the holiday section to see what's new. And cute little baskets. You get one for Jacqueline. Cute eggs. These are really cute. They have Easter grass. Yellow for my teen and purple pink for my queen. They have garland, little chicks, bunnies that hop. These are really nice for your pots on your patio. I'm going to grab one of these, and they have them in green, and it looks like a white. A new flagpoles, they're a lot bigger than the other ones. You can make hanging baskets with these. Go down to the crafts. I'm looking for the crate still. May have to go to the one on the upper area. Looks like they got them back. I want 3 of them to make a craft that I saw online. And they have the arrows for the craft. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to grab some more brown paint. I am almost out, and I'm going to look to see if they have some glue sticks. Sometimes they're hiding. This would make great dream catchers. Here are some glue sticks, and they're 20 count, and they fit my Gorilla Glue Gun. I'm going to get 2 of the 20 counts. And they have these ones that are a 5-piece, but I'm going to get the 20 count. These are really cute. I saw an idea recently on how to use them. I love their scissors. We've been buying them for years. Their binder clips are a great buy. And they don't have these in black, but those are really pretty too. They got different patterns. A new comment because I just opened one. This one has 50% more. Magic Power. They have so much for cleaner here. Fabuloso. All kinds of hacks with that. My grandmother used Spick and Span. I was looking for the droplets for the toilet. Those I don't like. They don't last that long. Bye. Then they have the Palmolive here in the bigger bottles. You get 25% more. I'm going to grab 2 packs of the white hangers for a craft. They have nice cloth organizers. They have really nice garbage cans and these cute little baskets. I love the black, and they also have it in white. And these are nice too. Really pretty patterns on them. New smaller lockers. Into the frozen food section. I need a new stir fry because I used one. You can steam them and they're really good. I already had broccoli and mango. Over here, I want to do something with the popcorn shrimp. I'm thinking the cod fillet was really good. They have wild salmon. It doesn't look like there's a lot of shrimp. Maybe enough for what I'm doing though. 2 of those. They have some jet puffed marshmallows. I'm going to grab these for my kids. That is awesome. I want to get some jelly time popcorn. So I'm going to try to do it on my stovetop. I always check out the snacks and drinks, especially their coffees that they have in the can. They're usually really good. These Utz dips are excellent. And Utz makes the best potato chips. Another bag of the white rice, the Spanish rice, was absolutely delicious. They have name brand ketchups and they have great salad dressings. They have croutons in, now that spring is around the corner. I love their taco shells. Their refried beans are really good too and easy to do in the microwave. The pizza pan is in. I'm going to get one for my craft idea. I've been waiting for this for a long time. I'm so happy. And this is a great buy. I'm going to get by Sure Fresh. I'm going to get one. I'm also going to grab this whisk. It looks really nice. Getting 4 of the 5x7 frames for a craft. I am back from the Dollar Tree and I'm so excited to be able to show you what I got. One of the first items is their garden trolley. And watch this. It rolls. And this might even make a terrific Lazy Susan. It looks like it'd be more stable than the one I made from those plastic plates. If you find the burners for the stovetop, those work a lot better. I've seen do it on a dime and other channels do it with the top burners, but I wanted to try it with the plates to see if it would work because I couldn't find the burner tops. And I finally found the pizza pan, so I'm going to be doing a video on this for what I'm going to be making it into, and it's going to wow you. At least I hope it will wow you. I love doing Dollar Tree crafts with random items. I found a Sure Fresh reusable rounds. They have a 1.9 cup size, 3.4, and a 5.8 cup size. These are really good. They're microwavable safe, freezer safe, and they're also safe for your dishwasher. Now I'm the dishwasher in my house, or my husband, we take turns. But if you have an actual dishwasher, you can just throw it in the top of your dishwasher and wash it out. The Easter grass is in, and this caught my eye. I think they had it last year, I don't remember. And the califilo, this is for Isabel. It's very pretty and shiny. Isabel will love that. Jacqueline, I got the purpley pink for their basket. I didn't get Isabel's basket today because I already picked it up a while ago. I got a sports basket. It's a basketball hoop. They had football and soccer, I believe. And I got them the basketball one because they do sports. They did varsity cross country, medaled quite a few times. And then they did baseball at one time. They quit that. They didn't like that after a while. I found a new whisk. And this, if you put the egg inside of it when you're dipping eggs into color dye with your children, you can dip it into the cups. And the egg will stay in place. We used to do this when my kids were little. I'll probably still do it with Jacqueline because Jacqueline can be very messy. And just dip it in. I love the handle on it. I found this bunny guy. I passed him a few times and then he was still there. So I'm going to take the stake off and he's going to be attached to another craft idea. I haven't been able to find the container that I'm looking for. I may have one on my back porch, and if I do, I'm just going to buy the flowers that I want to do and make a really pretty spring decoration for my window. This is like the old school baskets, and I got the pink metallic grass going to the basket, and Jacqueline's going to be picking out her own chocolates at Walmart, because last year's basket was a disaster, and she didn't like anything. She's a very, very picky child. I found the arrows that I was looking for straight up. This is going to be another cute craft idea. I have 2 videos that are going to be turn these into that item, like I did with the plungers for the ladder, and the most recent one that I did, I found, I'm so excited for this. My kids love marshmallows. Weather's getting nicer. Sometimes my kids like to roast the marshmallows after we grill. These are jet puffed marshmallows. Look at that. And it's a big bag for $1.25. Probably cheaper than Walmart, I would imagine. 12 ounces. I picked up a new stir-fry blend. This is 12 ounces. And I really enjoyed that cod the other day. I did a Dollar Tree dinner. It was for one. I was the only one home, and I wanted codfish. So I did it in the air fryer, and I made it with jasmine rice, and I steamed these. You can steam them in a pot of water, and they were amazing. It was a great cod dinner with rice and vegetables. Now, these are popcorn shrimp, farm-raised by Rising Tide. The same company as the cod. They're 2 ounces. I grabbed a couple of packages. I'm going to throw them in my freezer. That is what the package looks like. I had to get them in the freezer. I didn't want them completely melted because I'm going to be doing that dinner probably early next week with the shrimp. I bought 4 of these picture frames. They are 5x7s. Next time I go to Walmart, I want to pick up some spray paint so I can spray paint them to match the decor in my house. I may paint them brown. I do have some brown paint. I don't know if the paint will work on this type of material, but there's an idea that I have in mind. There's all kinds of DIYs you can do with these picture frames. I found a nice sized bag. It is 1 pound of Jelly Time popcorn. I want to do this on the stovetop, and I'd like to try it in a paper bag in the microwave to see if it works. I've seen other people do it, and were successful. Last time I was in Walmart, they still sell the Jiffy Pop popcorn that you used to shake over the stovetop back in the 70s when we were kids. I was so surprised to still see that. We did that once when my kids were little, and they got such a kick out of it. I was so happy they had the glue sticks in, because they did get a truck in, and they were unloading things. They had some things to go out. And I noticed t-shirts on one of the trucks, so I may call Eli, one of the guys there, and see if he can put a couple of small t-shirts on hold for me. Because I would like to try to make the t-shirt crafts with the wood stencil and paint the stencil on it and see if it will work. I've seen people do that. These are 20 pieces. They had the long ones that were only 5. That wasn't a good buy to me. Now I have 20 per pack, 40 total, to do my crafting projects that require glue. I grabbed an extra bag of the long green white rice. I have a Carolina wren outside, if you can hear the bird. Very pretty. There it is. He's in somewhere near the house. I grabbed 2 6-counts of the white hangers, not for my closet. This is to make a craft. I'm going to set it aside because I'm looking for some tea lights to string around them too. It'll be like a wreath. I posted a picture in our group of a snowflake. If you belong to my group, there's a link down below. You just click on it. It'll jump you right over, and then you can click on join. Sometimes it auto joins you. Feel free to go on over. Now I got these for another craft idea. I just got to find the candlesticks for it, and I'm going to need black spray paint. So I'm going to need black and white. The last few items are the little wood crates, and they had them back in stock. David told me that works there that they were coming back in. And I've seen people do all kinds of wonderful things with these crates. And I'm going to do something cool with my crates. We're going to paint them and make them into something. That is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed everything I was able to bring to you, so you can see what my Dollar Tree has. And then when you go to the Dollar Tree, see what they have. Always bring a list with you. There was 2 items I didn't get because I didn't see them, were the zip ties, as well as they only had 2 packs of the command hooks. Sometimes they have 6 and 8 counts. I do have a package of them. I may use those to see if it works because they have a little hook on it, so it'll be easier. You don't have to do all kinds of things to get it to hang onto the hook because it only holds 3 pounds, the hooks I have. You gotta pay close attention to the command hooks with the weight. You don't want to have anything heavier because it's just gonna fall down and put a little tear in whatever your wall, like the paint job or wallpaper. Before we go, let's look for that subscribe word and smash on it. Don't forget to tap on that bell and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.